Good morning. Welcome to English Over Coffee. Are you a happy morning person?
Or do you wake up like a zombie? I was a total zombie this morning, Daniel. I had a complete disaster in my kitchen.
A disaster? Really? What happened?
I'll tell you the whole story in a minute. But first, we want to help you talk about your morning routine.
Today, we have a nice conversation about morning routine and Sofia's coffee crisis.
Grab your coffee and enjoy it.
English over coffee. Take a sip. Come talk with me. Learn a little every day. Stay a while and feel carefree.
So, Sophia, we are here in Cape Cod. It is a beautiful morning, but tell me, how does your day really start?
Oh, Daniel, my day starts very, very early. I am an early bird. Do you know that expression?
An early bird? Oh, I see. A bird that wakes up with the sun, right?
Exactly. My alarm rings at 6:30. Beep, beep, beep. I open my eyes and I am happy. I love the morning light.
6:30? Wow, that is impossible for me, Sophia. I am a night owl. I like the stars. I like the moon. My eyes stay closed until 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock? That is a luxury, Daniel. At 6:30, my house is very quiet. No cars, no people. I walk to the window and I see the green trees. It is very peaceful.
I see. Is it quiet? In my house, it is not quiet. I hear the big trucks on the road. Vroom, vroom. It is very noisy.
That is too bad. I prefer the birds. But Daniel, even if I am an early bird, I am still a little bit of a zombie in the beginning.
A zombie. Right, I understand. A person with no energy. A person who needs something.
Yes, I need one thing. My brain does not work without it.
Interesting. Let me guess. It is a hot drink.
Yes, I go directly to the kitchen. My kitchen is small, but it is pretty. It is white and blue. I love my blue kitchen.
White and blue. Like the ocean here in Cape Cod, right?
Exactly. I don't look at my phone. I don't talk to my cat. I only look for the coffee machine. I hear the water bubble, bubble, bubble.
I like that sound. It is a hungry sound.
It is. And the smell, the smell of fresh coffee is heaven. It is the best smell in the world.
But Sophia, I remember you told me a story. A story about a very dark Tuesday.
Daniel, don't remind me. It was a cold Tuesday in November. Gray sky, cold wind.
Wow. Tell us the story. What happened in your blue kitchen?
Hey, quick pause for a second. If you're enjoying this, go ahead and like the video and maybe share it with a friend. All right, let's get back to it.
Well, I woke up. I was very tired. I walked to the cabinet. I opened the door. I reached for my favorite bag of coffee.
Right. And? Was the bag there?
I picked up the bag. But Daniel, the bag felt light. Too light.
Light? Like a feather?
Yes, I looked inside and I saw nothing. Only dust. The bag was empty. Zero coffee.
No way. No coffee? In the morning? That is a tragedy.
I was in shock. I looked behind the pasta. I looked behind the sugar. I even looked in the fridge. I thought maybe the coffee is hiding.
I see. Did you find it?
No coffee in the kitchen. No coffee in the house. I sat at the table and I stared at the wall. I felt like a zombie. a very sad zombie.
So, what did you do? Did you go back to bed?
No, I am a fighter, Daniel. I put on my big winter coat, I put on my boots, I put on my yellow hat.
A yellow hat? Interesting. For a coffee mission?
Yes, I headed out the door. The wind was very strong. Whoosh! It was cold on my face. My ears were like ice.
Oh, I know that wind. Cape Cod winters are difficult. Was the coffee shop far?
A 10-minute walk. But for a zombie, 10 minutes is a long time. I walked past the park. I walked past the library. Finally, I saw the red sign.
The coffee shop, right.
Yes, I opened the door. Ding! The bell rang. It was warm inside. It smelled like toasted bread and chocolate.
Wow. Did the barista help you?
He looked at my face and said, "Bad morning, Sofia?" I said, "Empty bag, Peter. Empty bag."
He understood your pain. I see.
He gave me a large latte. A very, very large latte. I took the first sip, and the world was beautiful again. I was not a zombie. I was Sofia.
That is a great story. Always check the bag before you sleep.
Yes, never again. Now I have 3 bags of coffee in my cabinet.
You are prepared now. Right. For me, if it is a rainy day, I don't drink coffee. I drink tea.
Tea? On a rainy day? Why?
Tea is peaceful. I like to hear the rain on the roof. Tap, tap, tap. I sit with a book and a cup of Earl Grey tea. It is a slow routine.
I think I am too impatient for tea. I like the boom of the coffee.
I know you do. Well, it is time for our second cup of coffee now.
Yes, let's go.
That is my story. Now I always have 2 bags of coffee in my cabinet.
Smart move, Sophia. I'm staying with my tea when it rains. It is much more peaceful.
Definitely. What about you? Are you an early bird or a night owl? We want to know your routine.
Tell us in the comments. Do you need coffee or tea to start your day?
Write your story in English. We love reading your stories. And if you like this conversation, don't forget to subscribe for more English practice.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.
Learn a little every day. Stay a while and feel